it's EricaH with RE/MAX Momentum. So you just got your real estate license and now you're wondering, now what? Because here is the truth. No one hands you a plan in this business except here at RE/MAX Momentum. And that this is exactly why so many agents fail in their first year. It may not be because they are lazy, but it is because they do not know what to work on. So today, I'm breaking down exactly what you should be doing in your first 30 days if you actually want to build a real successful real estate business. I've been doing this for 25 years. I've closed well over 600 transactions, and I coach agents every single day. And I can tell you, your first 30 days will either set you up for success and set the tone, or they'll set you months back. So let's get into number one. You need to build your database. This is where your money comes from. These people already know you, like you, and trust you. I don't care if it's your friends, family, people from your kids' school, social media contacts. Everyone goes into your database because if it's not in a database, it doesn't exist. And no, your phone contact list or an Excel spreadsheet is not a database. You need names, numbers, emails, birthdays, and you need a system to stay in front of them. Number two, you need to start lead generating every single day. And I'm going to be really clear here. You don't need a closing right now, you need conversations. That is it. Calls, texts, checking in, break breads, seeing them in person, letting them know what you are doing. Most new agents wait until they feel ready. You will never feel ready. You get ready by doing the work. Number three, you need to learn what to say. This is where the most agents struggle. They don't want to sound salesy, so they end up saying absolutely nothing at all. So you need scripts, you need practice, and you need repetition. Confidence doesn't come from thinking about it, it comes from doing it over and over and over again. Number four, plugging into the right environment. This is huge. If you're in an office where no one is talking about production, no one is training, no one is holding you accountable, you are going to struggle. Who you surround yourself with in the business matters more than anything. And let me say this. This is where most agents get it completely wrong. They spend their first 30 days designing logos, ordering business cards, building a website, overthinking things instead of actually talking and seeing people. None of that admin stuff makes you money. Conversations make you money. If you had a clear plan, the right training, and actual accountability, how much faster could you grow? That's exactly why we created the systems and training we have at RE/MAX Momentum. It's to help agents not just get into the business, but to actually succeed in it. If this was helpful, make sure to follow along. I'm going to keep breaking this down step by step so you know exactly how to build a real estate business the right way. Thank you so much for watching. Again, this is EricaH, broker owner at RE/MAX Momentum. Have a great day.